In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Clipchamp not working on Windows 11 computer. To fix Microsoft Clipchamp in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Scroll down. Here you will find Microsoft Clipchamp and click on the three dot icon on Microsoft Clipchamp and then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. Here you will find Reset. If this app is not working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Just click on Repair. App is repairing. Repair has been finished. Hope your problem has been solved. And if you find still Microsoft Clipchamp is not working, you can reset it. If this app is not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Just click on Reset and then click on Reset again, resetting the app. Hope this will solve your issue. If Microsoft Clipchamp is still not working, you have to uninstall the Microsoft Clipchamp app and again you need to reinstall it. You will find here uninstall. Click on uninstall button here and then click on uninstall to uninstall this app and all related information. And in this way, the Clipchamp app will be uninstalled. And after uninstalling, close settings and then click on Start menu and click on Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, you will find a search box and in search box type Clipchamp and click on Microsoft Clipchamp and here you will find Get button. Click on Get button to download and install the Microsoft Clipchamp again on your Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to fix Microsoft Clipchamp not working or opening on Windows 11 computer.